Westlake Royal PVC trim and molding products have been bringing advanced performance, versatility, aesthetics, and breadth of choices to customers for over 50 years. Royal PVC products have you covered from roofing to the water table with ready-to-install exterior moldings, smooth edge and sheet trim board project completers, interior trim components, and garage weather sealing and trim solutions. Here's why homeowners and pros alike choose Royal trim and molding for their projects. All products are waterproof, so products can be used above or below grade, durable and strong while being lightweight. Made of moisture and termite-proof PVC material, so every product is low maintenance. Compatible with our select or vinyl offerings, or other brands like Hardy or LP. Easy to install, cut, and machine with standard woodworking tools. Hundreds of unique shapes that nail without splitting or cracking. Covered by a limited lifetime, no rot warranty. And Royal trim products are made in the USA. You get to know Westlake Royal trim and molding, an ever-expanding collection of interior and exterior products that deliver beautiful, durable design solutions for every home project. Now let's take a look how to use Royal PVC trim and molding solutions to add a beautiful finishing touch like wainscoting to your bathroom space. Royal molding and trim comes in a wide variety of profiles, thicknesses, and lengths that make projects like adding wainscoting simple to elevate the look of any room. For this project, you'll need several Royal trim and molding products, including 1x6 PVC trim board quarter rounds and 5 3/4 inch wainscoting planks, along with Royal 1x4 and 1x2 trim board products. First, determine what height you make your wainscoting and chair rail design. Consider using a level to draw a line around your room at the height you prefer. Next, using Royal 1x6 boards, measure and cut baseboards to fit around the entire perimeter of your room. Use butt joints in the corners. And secure with 8D finish nails about every 16 inches, and then countersink when done. To complete the baseboard step, measure and miter cut Royal quarter rounds, secure with 8D finish nails, and then countersink. Notice that Royal wainscoting planks use an interlocking tongue and groove design to help ensure a uniform and consistent bead pattern. Now, add Royal 5 3/4 wainscoting planks. Cut all planks to the correct height before adding to your walls. Start in a corner, place on top of the baseboard, and trim the edge if required. Apply wall paneling adhesive to the back of the planking and press firmly to ensure maximum adhesion. Now, you're ready for the chair rail buildup. First, cut and butt joint the 1x4 trim board to fit around the perimeter of your room. Place each piece along the top edge of the wainscoting planks with 8D finishing nails. Continue with assembly and countersinks. Now, caulk seams with latex caulk and fill your nail holes with DAP all-purpose painter's putty. Paint to match other millwork with 100% acrylic latex paint as desired. And now your wainscoting project is complete.